Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. So today is the Scion XB day. Where it's been for the past couple of weeks is I basically left it in the hands of Zach, professional rapper, over the course of like the past 2 weeks here at Custom Decals, and it's just been getting wrapped. We're turning it green. Gonna show you guys, it's basically done now. So these guys have been at it. But damn, it's now green and black. We went with the same two-tone, like half black top, and then the bottom half is green. Basically transferred the color theme of the FRS to the Scion XB. And my plan is to just turn all of our cars this same exact theme color. So yeah, we're just gonna have a full Kelly green fleet. Damn. Custom Decals, thank you guys.
Thanks for coming.
Give these guys a follow on the socials. Of course, Zach, appreciate it, homie. This bumper alone, man, you can tell he had to do so many inlays, but it's such a clean job. We'll move it out of their shop, give these guys more space to work with, and we'll just use today to put most of it back together. We got the roof racks, the roof box, and of course, we still have to figure out how to fit this bumper, because like I said, it has a kind of underbite, and I can't fully fit it in without taking away the windshield reservoir and also this weird ass snake-like intake, which goes like from up here and then loops down there, and then here's the actual intake filter, which is right behind where the fogs are supposed to go. So I'm supposed to take those out if I want to fit this bumper with the fog lights. We'll figure that out though. Man, Zach did such a good job. That's cool. All right, I'll go grab the battery pack. Bruh. Dude, I'm actually so excited about this color change. Let's just put it back together. Got the side skirts, the front bumper. I really just want to see what it looks like with the roof box on. Matching Kelly green roof box. Oh, by the way, Zach makes these. He made me a custom green one. That's dope. That looks pretty crazy though. No bumper. Yes. Today, guys, is Scion XB assembly day. Let's get it. Yo. I have this KMR emblem, and it's a prototype, but it's like a little oversized. But I'm looking at this indent in the back, and it's perfect for that. It covers it so nicely. Okay, let's figure out this front bumper. All right, so check this out. If you compare the bumper, this one, it literally goes inwards like this, but this has no fog lights, whereas this one has 4. It multiplies like this. It looks exactly like this level. Why? Let's try to fit this on and we'll figure this out. I'm thinking I might actually just reappropriate this into the RX-7, because the RX-7's windshield reservoir, which is located in the trunk, is tiny, and this one's just, yeah, it's pretty big for no reason. And then this, like, what the F, man? And look at how the tube goes all the way underneath there and then out. We'll just assemble the front bumper for now, put the grille on, put the fog lights on, and then we'll do our best to fit it back on the XB. Alright, so I decided we may be able to just move the windshield reservoir up, use one of these OEM holes, and as long as this still sits underneath the headlight and isn't in the way of these 2 fogs. And then basically we're just gonna cut our intake, shorten it a little bit. I mean, it still gets airflow because this grille actually has like 2 sections, so that's okay. Whereas our previous bumper literally only had 1. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this out, cut the pipe right there, and move this filter down here. With this front bumper, we had to remove the front crash bar. So, I mean, there's so much like custom stuff that we have to do behind the scenes that we don't normally show you guys, but that's kind of why I'm like happy that I document my build process for you. Selfishly, it's mostly for me to look back on and to learn, but I'm glad it helps some of you guys out too. But this is the stuff that you don't get to see on a regular. If you guys are planning on starting YouTube, keep in mind that people relate to transparency, and I've decided to keep mistakes in my videos. Not everything is fine and dandy. Of course, not everything in life is supposed to go that smooth. Just so you guys understand my predicament, these holes are supposed to line up here, but I can't even push it back anymore because it's hitting the filter, and on this side, the windshield washer reservoir is in the way. So, let's keep at it. Just a friendly tip, when you're installing clamps, to make it easier on yourself, install the clamp, install the bolt outwards, so it's easier for you to reach it. This one's on the inside. I would just turn the clamp over so the bolt is facing this way. Also, we gotta cut our fender liner too. I might just do that. Keep bringing the R35 by. Always a pleasure to see this thing. How are you, brother?
How you doing, bro?
Good, good.
Looks sick, man.
Oh, thanks.
Who drove the color? You did?
Yeah. So I figured I'm just gonna start my entire green fleet, and this will be the first. I'm just gonna mark this off, probably somewhere like right there. What is this even, man? You can just literally put the intake right there, and then that'll be short ram. All right. So I kind of marked off where we're gonna be cutting it, and hopefully that's okay. If anything, man, I might even just like cut it right here if it's still in the way. But the only reason why I'm cutting it here is because I still want to use this mounting point. Oh, where the intake used to sit right here, now it sits down here. Just gotta cut off some of our fender liner. Actually, right here, looks like it's added on. So we'll just cut that off with scissors. All right, moment of truth. Well, this side's actually pretty decent. Top hole's a line, and the intake doesn't touch nothing. Just gotta connect this side, but that's good. This side, kind of. That's exactly where the windshield reservoir has to sit. Damn. I was contemplating on trading out that reservoir for the one in the RX-7, because check this out. This thing is tiny. I'm not actually sure if this is OEM, but it looks like it. I didn't know that RX-7s had their windshield washer fluid reservoirs in the trunk. Compared to the one in the XB, this is tiny. But I think we figured it out. All right, let's put the rest of the kit back on. Side skirts, roof rack, roof box, headlights, grill, and we're golden. And we're just gonna put a clip in here. It's good. Just gotta figure out the lighting. Look at that, it's perfect. Plug and play. Just reconnecting the fogs. We gotta do some more mods to this. We actually gotta cut this stem thing off. Like, why is that even there? I'll make sure to leave a little bit of a neck, okay? Damn, it's a hot blade. Just like that, huh? Mm-hmm. I think I gotta... No, it's good, it's good. Oh, sweet. Get enough. Yo, guys, we made it work. Woo. Just gotta make sure the tops are aligned, but we can do that with the screws. But that's in. Good job. Yeah. I have to film my windshield washer right in that little corner, dude. Oh man, and I'll make sure to keep it less than this. That's okay.
Seriously, yeah.
There, like, you'll see the vlog, man. There's so much custom we had to do just to fit this bumper. Oh, I'm excited, and these guys are helping me throw on the ski box. Last time I installed it, I installed it a little too far back, so I couldn't actually open my rear door all the way up, just because I rocked that duckbill. Dude, yeah, man, with the chrome wheels.
It's like doubled up. I love it.
Yeah, what the heck, man? They're just like, it's an exact duplicate.
Yeah, it's duplicate. It's so it's cool and trippy.
Okay, moment of real truth. There you go. Dude, you got, thanks. Custom decals, boys. Turn this around, thanks.
Gangster.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat.
Sick, dude. Snug.
Where's the wires?
Huh? Oh shit, oh my bad. Okay, well, we'll keep it charging, man.
Yeah,
But just to give you guys an idea. And these guys are finishing up with the ski box. Bruh, look at that fitment. That is perfect. You can still open the rear. But now we're just making sure it's center. Been looking for this for like 30 minutes. All the side skirt stuff. So I actually gotta wrap these green as well. Now we can install the side skirts. And then also for this side, I'm just gonna get my friend Eddie to order me new tires. Just a thicker tire profile. And then we'll probably run these wheels, but without the spacers. And then I'm gonna do my best to save up for an airlift system for the XB because everyone wants to see this thing touch the ground. For now though, just take the wheels off and we'll put back the Koenigs. Match this side. Actually, the bronze wheels reminds me of a Ninja Turtle. That is so cool. I still can't get over how close these guys got this.
Hey.
Catch you later. We'll order the tires, okay?
Sounds good.
Thanks, man.
Anytime, man.
Have fun.
Have fun, you too.
Drive safe. The last remaining piece. I hope that's straight.
I'm just calling to say I
Alright, that's it. Guys, the XB is green. We basically just transferred the FRS's color theme to the XB. Unfortunately, we weren't able to fit the Lexani dub wheels. I still need to find a new tire fitment for that and make sure that it actually fits. Other than that, there's actually so much work that went behind trying to fit this front bumper. For anyone out there, there's actually nothing on the forums or nothing on YouTube that explains how to fit a Yakuza bumper on the Scion XB. I'm pretty sure that this is actually meant for Japanese BBs. I had to shorten the intake and I had to move the USDM reservoir up a little bit. And right now it's just being held on with zip ties, but you know what? As long as she stays in place, we good. We'll get the new wheels on and yeah, it'll look a lot closer to our Photoshop concept. And of course, can't forget to thank our fellas at Custom Decals. So if you guys want to get your car fully wrapped, Custom Decals YYC, especially Zach for helping me turn this thing green. Like his car. Go for green. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna end the video. So as usual, if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button tick, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll see you around. Peace.